We went to Sky Zone, an indoor trampoline park where we could run and jump. Sky Zone is all over the US, and there are several locations in Southern California. Inside was a giant trampoline room we could jump around on. There were trampolines to jump into pools of foam cubes. We could also swing into the foam cubes and ride a zip line. There was jousting and a rock climbing wall. We loved the obstacle course. There was a trampoline room with basketball hoops. And we spent a lot of time trying to run up a curved ramp. Sky Zone was a really fun place to let all of our energy out.